Hello everyone, myself Supriya Rage, Assistant Professor in Replicability Parametry. So today I am discuss unit number 4, that is vector differential calculus. Okay, first we discuss some basic concept. Vector algebra deals with the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication of vectors. Vector calculus deals with the differentiation and integration of vector functions. Here we learn about the multiplication of vectors in vector algebra and about derivative of vector function, gradient, divergence, curl in vector differential calculus. A quantity like time, mass, etc., which specified only its magnitude, it is called as scalar, while the quantities like velocity, force, electric field, density, etc. are specified completely by magnitude as well as direction. That's, that quantities are called as vector. So vector is nothing but the quantity which defines magnitude as well as direction, or which have magnitude as well as direction. So we call that quantity as a vector quantity. So suppose we consider a set of three mutual perpendicular vectors, unit vectors I, j, k, taken along xyz axis. If A is given like that, x1, y1, z1, and B is x2, y2, z2 are two points in space, then OB bar is equal to OA bar plus AB bar, or AB bar is equal to OA bar minus OB bar. So position vector of B bar minus position of vector A bar is nothing but OB bar. Okay, so that is the general definition. So if that is OA, OB and that is OA, so subtraction of that is the x2 minus x1 I bar plus y2 minus y1 j bar plus y3 minus z2 minus z1 k bar. So that is the subtraction of two vectors. Now next, scalar or dot product of two vectors. Suppose a bar dot b bar is a bar and b bar are two vectors. So dot product of that two are a bar dot b bar is defined as mod of a bar mod of b bar cos theta, where theta is angle between the directions of a bar and b bar, such that 0 less equal to theta less equal to pi. And if f bar is force vector and d bar is the displacement vector, then f bar dot d gives the work done by the force f bar in causing the displacement d bar. A projection of a bar in direction of b bar is a bar dot a hat. Also, the one most important result is like that I bar dot j bar. I will change the ink here. So here I bar dot j bar is equal to j bar dot k bar is equal to k bar dot I bar is 0, and I bar is equal to jj bar is equal to kk bar is equal to 1, that is the value 1. And most important formula, that is cos theta, that formula is useful for finding the angle between the two vectors. So cos theta is equal to a bar b bar upon mod of a bar dot mod of b bar. So that is nothing but a bar is a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar into b1 I bar plus b2 j bar plus b3 k bar, and mod of a bar is nothing but root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, and mod of b bar is nothing but root of b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. So that is nothing but the formula for finding the angle between the two vectors. We take some examples on that formula. So find angle between a bar and b bar. Find angle between a bar and B bar, where A bar is equal to 2I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar, and B bar is equal to I bar minus J bar plus 2K bar. Then we have to find the angle between them. So if theta is angle, if theta is angle between A bar and B bar, then cos theta is equal to A bar B bar upon mod of A bar mod of B bar. So here A bar is 2I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar dot B bar is I bar minus J bar plus 2K bar upon mod A bar is nothing but the coefficient of I, J, K, square of that term and add of these two terms. So that is 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is 1, again root, again 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. So that is, here we have to take the dot product of these two vectors. When we take the dot product, we just multiply the coefficient of I plus multiply coefficient of J plus multiply coefficient of K, and that is nothing but the dot product of two vectors. So coefficient of I is here 2 and here is 1. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus here is 2, here is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus here is 1, here is 2. So 1 into 2 upon. So here is value 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 9, and here is 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is root 6. So that is nothing but 2 minus 2, that is cancel, that is the 2 upon root 9 is nothing but 3 and root of 6 put as it is, so root 6. So that is the cos theta, and therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 upon 3 root 6. So by using that we can directly find the angle theta by using that formula, that is cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar upon mod of A bar mod of B bar. So now next, vector or cross product. Vector or cross product of vector A bar and B bar is given by A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar into sin theta into n hat, where n hat is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A bar and B bar, such that A bar, B bar and n hat form the right-handed system. Any vector A bar can be expressed as A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, where A1, A2, A3 are the scalar component of A bar along XYZ axis. So more important thing is here, I bar cross I bar, J bar cross J bar and K bar cross K bar is 0. So I can take the another color. So here I bar cross I bar, J bar cross J bar and K bar cross K bar is 0. Also I bar cross J bar is K bar, J bar cross K bar is I bar and K bar cross I bar is J bar. And also I bar cross J bar is equal to minus J bar cross I bar. So that is small changes here. And how can we define the A bar cross B bar? So A bar cross B bar is nothing but one determinant. So that determinant is like that. First row is IJK, second row is the coefficient of A bar, and third row is the coefficient of B bar. So that is nothing but IJK, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. And this determinant is nothing but A bar cross B bar. So on that we can solve one problem. Okay, so find A bar cross B bar. Where A bar is given as 2I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar, and B bar is equal to I bar minus A bar plus 2K bar. So here A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant of, that is I, J, K, that is A1, A2, A3, that is B1, B2, B3. So putting values here, so I, J, K, value of A is here 2, 2, 1, values of B1, B2, B3 are 1, minus 1, 2. So solve that determinant, we get, so I time. So if we solve that, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 minus that minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. So minus minus becomes plus, minus J. So 2 into 2, that is again 4. 1 into 1, that is minus 1 plus K bar. So that is minus 2, again minus 2. That is 5I bar. 4 minus 1, that is 3, minus 3J bar. And that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 A bar. So that is nothing but A bar cross B bar. That is the value. Okay. Next, that is the more important error concept, that is scalar triple product or mixed product, or say box product. So that is known as a box product also. So that is defined as a vector A bar, B bar and C bar are three vectors, and we have to take the box product or scalar triple product of that three vectors, and which is denoted by box. That box A bar, B bar, C bar, that is equal to A bar cross B bar dot C bar. So that is the definition. So box product A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but A bar cross B bar dot C bar, and that is also defined as like that A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That the determinant of that thing is known as the box product, and that box product represent the volume of rectangular parallelepiped with edges OA, OB, OC of length ABC respectively. So that box product is nothing but the volume of parallelepiped also. So a vector triple product is defined as A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar B bar minus A bar dot B bar dot into C bar. So that is the vector triple product. That vector triple product we don't use most time, but the scalar triple product or box product is used many times. So that is the most important thing. So that box product is nothing but the determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. And that A1 to A3, A1, B1 and or AIs, BIs or CIs are nothing but the coefficient of IJKs. Okay. So just we can saw the one example on that part. So example is, find the box product of, find the box product of A bar, B bar and C bar, where A bar is equal to 2I bar plus 2J bar plus A bar. B bar is equal to I bar minus A bar plus 2K bar. C bar is equal to I bar plus A bar minus K bar. So here box product is given by A bar, B bar, C bar, which is equal to A bar cross B bar plus C bar. So that is equal to determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That is equal to determinant of 2, 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, and 1 1 minus 1. So by solving this, we get 2 into minus 1 minus 1, that is plus 1, minus 2 times minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 times 1 minus minus plus 1. So that is 1 minus 2 is minus 2, minus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6, and that 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is plus 2. So that 2 minus 2 get cancelled, and final answer is 6. That 6 is nothing but the box product of these three vectors. And if we observe that box product of the vector is the always scalar quantity. Okay, and if we take the dot product of two vectors, it is also scalar quantity. But if we take the cross product of two vectors, we get again vector quantity.